take back your power. Blame them for what they have done, but don't blame them for what you haven't done. Blame them for what they've done, but bless them for making you stronger, for making you better, for showing you exactly what you don't want.
You done with the picture?
Of course.
Chris Brown. You don't pay the $2,000 for good time?
Babe. Because I love it.
Welcome back, guys. What's up? Welcome to another vlog. So I'm telling you in a previous vlog, say as I done the previous clip, I'm gonna start the next vlog, and that's exactly what I'm doing. So right now I'm on my way to the nail tech. So I'm gonna go Marsha. I'm gonna get a refill because I feel like a time now, man. This style was well worn and all the nails are intact. Like, I lit them up somewhere. I expected even one or two of them to broke off already, but these are well built. So them grow just a little bit. Them not even grow it all the way, but like, yeah, I want a new look with it. I think I want that, like, that nice long deep French look, you know, that clean girl vibe. Why traffic there, sir? Even though she not call me yet, so that means that she not reach, like, because she had a bit of delay. Like, I was supposed to be there probably like from half an hour before, but I guess God knows best because I was still filming and stuff. And then she said she ended up did just sort out some stuff, so it kind of threw off the schedule just a little bit. So she did tell me that it would take her like 45 minutes to reach over. Yeah, I love this week, as I was saying in the previous vlog. I don't do any baby hairs on it, but I have an event tomorrow. Yeah, I have an event tomorrow, so I'm gonna be doing some edges. And you know, some of my little edge action. I don't care, to each his own. If you don't like it, you don't like it, but I like it. So I'm gonna do some edges tomorrow, and yeah, that's the vibe. If you did not check out the previous vlog, go ahead and check it out. It was a vibe. Okay, it was a vibe. Let's go, guys. I'm gonna TV eating from morning. Let's talk about that. Like, I got up with my goals on my mind. I knew I had to get these videos out the way, and I definitely got up earlier than usual. Like, I got up early, and mind you, I told you in a previous vlog that these taxi men. I told you in a previous vlog that we were out. Oh no, see, we were out for the entire day yesterday. So yeah, I'm tired, but no, for the past couple of days I've been waking up early or earlier than normal. So my body kind of, you know, when you practice something for a number of days, like waking up at a certain time, I don't know, at least for me, my body just breaking it and get used to that kind of routine. So it's like when the clock, I can't feel it in my sleep. Sometimes my alarm not even go off, I just wake up, you know. So drive that way there? No, keep on the street. Yeah, so it's like my body just programmed now for wake up at a certain time, and so that's literally what happened this morning. I just never go back to sleep, and I'm like, yo, I have work to do. Let me go do my work. I'm gonna have videos to edit, because even though you guys watch a previous vlog, I still haven't edited that yet. So when I'm done with doing my nails, that's what I'm gonna head home to do, you know. So that's what the rest of my day is gonna look like and stuff. So that's that. So guys, she reached like 20 minutes before me. Oh my gosh. So she's upstairs coming. I'm at the door because it's just me that's coming in, and then she's going to leave. No one saw me that try or preach. Like, oh my god. Let's see, she'll come in. When I prefer to buy one juice, I'm so thirsty. I'm gonna eat now from morning. When I see she'll come in, I'm gonna buy one juice. Good day. I can get an orange juice, please, and a bun. No, a rough top. Give me the big one.
Regular?
Yeah. And the orange juice. Enough coconut water, no? Alright. How much for all of that? $3.30. Alright. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Good day. No, me go buy one juice over the hotel. Come in and eat now from morning because me just get up and did start film. Yeah.
They call me sassy when I'm strolling down the street. They call me classy when I'm serving just the best. I can be deadly when I find somebody lovely. And now I'm ready like a kitty in a dress. Don't call me mean, I just want someone to love me. Someone to lick my wounds and kiss my aching body. My desperation knows no termination, baby. Now would you love me if I were somebody else? Wish I had a tail. Wish I had a tail. Cause if I did, then I would swing it, be swinging it in front of you. If I had a tail. If I had a tail. Yeah, if I did, then I would swing it, be swinging it in front of you. I would swing it to the beat, I'd be a mover. And everyone be jealous of my touch. I just wanna be the one that makes you drool. No, I'd be a super duper cool, not a smoother little puss.
Guys, well this back for both of that. But I'm loving my nails. Maybe just, you know, somebody want French, but I get a bag of niceness. I'm loving it. It's really nice. So now actually I'll go to the market to buy a couple of stuff, and then I'm gonna head home and get into editing. So yeah, I'm not sure when I'm gonna vlog for the rest of the day, but if I don't vlog for the rest of the day, then I'll come back as soon as I'm doing something. I don't know it already. So yeah, but then I eat rough top when I buy at the OC. But yeah, can't wait for go home to eat some real food and stuff. So see you guys in a few. Guys, I can't believe them. I'm sorry. Hi. Yeah, in my assessment. They're on it. Can't believe them. I'm sorry. I'm by the bag.
Do some Aki fruits and real stuff in it. Go 4 dozen.
I'll come buy Aki and breadfruit.
4 dozen.
Aki, breadfruit, some plantain, some yam, some sweet potato, some papaya, some sweet sap. I get sorrel. I should get some pumpkin.
Too small.
Yeah, so I'm just like get that now, and then I'm gonna head back real quick and stuff.
24 hours later.
What's up, guys? So it is the next day, and we are about to head to a brunch party with Rush, Shami and I. So we're about to head to a brunch party. You know, nice cause on the vibe. Me and Rush did go to that event some time ago, like but up in the like hills, but today it's not up in the hills. It's a different location, more central and stuff. It's kinda keep on I go out of focus. So yeah, as I say, we'll make a stop and stuff. So after that, actually I'm gonna make a stop before that, like, so that's the vibe. My fit is pretty simple, even though have a little, you know, the top it not so basic, but you know, it basic. Because I would like necessarily wear it for a like dressy kind of occasion, but That's cool. It's a cool little fit. I feel like I need more lotion. Yes, I'm just check back in with you guys. Oh yeah, I did just add 2 soups. Like whenever I go add with a baby or whatever. But yeah, that's the vibe. When we reach home back later, I got editing to do.
Just do that. You know.
Then you're out of control.
You want a shot? Let's get a shot. I miss my friends. Sometimes I don't see my friends. It's time to turn it up. I'm shaking my game. Shaking up and out. I can't get my home. Why you up
please give that girl a raise. Please. What's that?
Alright, so we're gonna meet up with Rush. Well,
We're going to Rush's house.
yeah, we're gonna run a Rush because him gonna change and we're going to the next spot and then we're gonna catch a next piece of vibe. Why am I out of focus? But it was like a vibe, you know, like a pre-game.
Yeah.
I look pre-game. Wait, them not seeing what? Tupac. Tupac. So him say him for change. Him a change because him a forget like drippy.
You never said that. You just wear less clothes.
Okay. Him say time too hot.
Yellow, black.
Black you put on again?
Yeah.
But yeah, so we're going to the next spot and yeah, that's what our Sunday is looking like. The other spot here, it was slowly getting full. Like we go around there early, but you know the vibes start build up. Them that play good too and stuff. So yeah, we just catch a vibe,
Rush.
and chat.
Yeah. Get the vlog piece of Rashid.
Huh?
Things good,
Knowing that this girl will come my way today, all my life I hope and pray for dance tonight with you, oh girl. You know the deal, you know I'm for real. Who do you think of with the long range? Is it the taking off? We're talking about the schedule. Because she's trying to see that she's real.
What's up, guys? It's the next morning and I am on my way to the gym. On my way to the gym. So yeah, just make us stop. Last night was good. It was good, as in I can't say equal with itself. So yeah, I'm just good. You know, I never TV get to make my green smoothie this morning because I'm all out of spinach and stuff. So I'm just take my spirulina shot, which is still great because that still help you get your greens in. So I'm just not like these days. I put my spirulina in my green smoothie. I don't care. I just put it in them because I can't manage to do the shot something all the time. It's not like super bad to like stomach because you know sometimes something that tastes really bad, but that not taste that bad, you know. You can't stomach it. But I actually remember one day I stopped at my go to the health store and I got the probiotics. I knew I was supposed to get something else, but I never realized that I run out of spirulina. So I think after the gym I'll get some spirulina, and I'm out of Petite-Sue. It's time for me to resume that. So I'm gonna get one more that finished so easily. I get that, and yeah, I'm gonna have to re-up on my green juice, my green smoothie stuff. So I'm gonna do that, and yeah, I think I'm gonna just get salad today. That's it. So see you guys in the next clip. I want to bring on to my gym today, even though you guys told me that yeah, I don't want to come at the gym. All right, let's go to the gym. Let's go to the gym. Let's go.
Miserable people doing things they hate just to fit in. I know it's easier to get along peacefully, but have you ever thought about you? Don't know why I keep on doing what I'm told to do when the rules are made up by someone we never knew. Baby, wipe your tears and hear me out. We don't need someone to feel alright. Let's do the streets on Monday. Let's call your exes and tell them they can join us too. Why always worry about money when you can get rich by trying to see the upside? I know it's hard sometimes to believe it, that you deserve more than me, he said. Hope with the job you hate and love the ones you love. 'Cause have you ever really thought about you? Don't know why I keep on doing what I'm told to do when the rules are made up by someone we never knew. Baby, wipe your tears and hear me out. We don't need someone to feel alright.
Alright guys, so I'm in the supermarket now, done with the gym session, and as I did some, I just had to pick a few things just a few things, and then I got a health store. Guys, honestly, today did rough for me at the gym, and I'm telling no lie. Detergent. Alright, so I'm just gonna pick up them stuff here and then come back to you. Now I'm around here to pick up my salad I already ordered, so I'm just gonna grab it. But before I go, I'm actually going to find out if by any chance maybe fitness junkies have spirulina, because I did I tell you guys I'm all out? Good day. Is that spirulina? Okay, so they don't have spirulina, so I just have to salad and then head to the next stop. So since we don't get the spirulina around this, so I got a health store and done. That's what I'm gonna do. And I think after that, no, is that my final stop? So I sweat hard today, like, so I had to have on this for a while around the lace, but it dried on. It looked pretty nice. I want to film a haul for my main channel. So may I contemplate if I keep this in or what. But I think I'm gonna keep it on to do the haul, and then I want to go over big blind thanks. I know, man, once I step outside a bona, but the sun outside not that bright today, so it feel like it would probably rain. It's so hot.
You know you're done. Thought you knew all the answers and knew what's to come. Trying not to be so self-absorbed. They don't care, 'cause people get so easily bored. You better stay in those arms forever, where happy thoughts can live again. Yeah, we got older but still good together. 'Cause you and I, we got the vibe, yeah, you and I, still got the vibe,
Yes, so I just made my protein. I'm not dropping that wholly. Yeah, so right now we just run go to the supermarket real quick and then come back and like, you know, no grocery shopping, nothing. Yeah, so guys can't believe we actually watch Minions. No, we didn't go back to the movies, but we watched it. It was nice. It is nice, just like what everybody else said. Like, yeah. Oh, and I see the couple people that say, oh, by the way, we just come back on camera. Yes, a new day. Obviously, it's evening time now. You know, like the whole next day. Yesterday, I never even come back. All I got at the health store was the spirulina, because they didn't actually even have the Pardia Crow when we did one. They have one next for me, but then I never want that. I wanted the extract. Anyways, so guys, I'm gonna chat. I'm not even drink my protein.
Why am I think about?
The man look like him can't run no further.
Jesus, he look like him tired.
He look real tired, like him. I look down.
So I can't go back home. I can't relive this.
The man I look like him. I wonder if the goals them where him have really worth it for run the rest of the way. But earlier in the vlog here, I want to say like we went out with Russia or whatever. That little party where we go. So I'm shake. I threw the road there, man. But when we go this, right? When we come home, listen. I watch people. I was about to say we. Yeah, there's no we on that. I finished watching people. Like, I watched the season finale. Okay. Let me tell you. Oh my gosh. It's just, like, it's too much going on. Yeah, next thing. Spoiler alert for here. If you don't watch people, then move on. If you plan to watch it, then skip this part, because yeah. But like, my dash way more career for go live with Uncle Clifford. I don't know, it's just so much going on. And then Keishan gone to prison, but out of all of the time them for she lose her cool. Why they so? Like, I just like get it. It's just over there with it straight like,
because I don't know what the hell you're talking about.
and she know I watch it, she lucky. And lastly, Lord God, them take with them. Listen, me never trust. But she named it from morning, you know, what's in her? I never trust her from morning. Like, I'm just like, when I look it up, them said them not approve of season 3 yet. So I'm like, they would I really just leave it? And then so far, everything what we like and watch in terms of series, coming I like the one bag of series and something. Like, everything we like and watch so far now come back till like 2024. Bye. So we got what we needed. Yeah, I never bring it inside, but this one say she want Burger King, so I go to Burger King. I know that she say, oh, last me eat Burger King a long time ago. Okay. So I buy one chicken sandwich to cook. Dang, T-Pain time was different. This is song. Even drop. That's crazy. That was actually really funny. It was so funny. No, because they were going really crazy with like the post them like just BBQ meeting. I can listen to you or something like that. Sing them. And the end of the post the girl them like I'm them. And I say the money words. Man, I give them for them $10. Single picture, it look like them in a 10-year committed relationship. Funny one, T-Pain will attitude different. Do it different. Looking at the whip frame that makes sense. You don't tell me. Lifetime movie or something. That's what you're ready to I want to put the trees to them. Let's do a song, brother. Remember that? Them tell me I want to dance, you know? You know the choreography? We used to go for around every Saturday and make up that choreography to it. Hey, baby, are you sure that you want it? I'm caught up in the moment. Let me know now. Oh, baby, I'm a little busy on the first night, so I have to do you better than the first time. Loving how you switching and you getting your teeth. Loving how the booty shake when it's on me. You got a nigga blowing up, you call it ID. And it was all a setup, you got me. It was nice to know you like so like boom, boom. So yeah, surprised when the TikTok never resurrect this, because they couldn't have a good TikTok dance.
my first time, baby girl, can't pretend.
Hey, it wasn't whining for the stage.
I wanna take you down, I really wanna take you down.
Yeah, yeah. Going wine for the song, you know?
So don't stop, beat it, beat it, take you down, I really wanna take you down.
And the boy with the fuck up there for them there. That was a lie. It was a lie.
Pretty girl, let's take it off in this room. No time
This
to
whole
waste.
performance was so
You
good.
know
And the
what
stage
we can
tilting.
do.
Yeah. Oh my god, and my wife on the stage same time. Like, you know when I think I drop off?
We got all night to try, girl. Hope you're ready, hope you're ready, hope you're ready. Oh, how we-
You down with the picture? Of course. Just right after the toast that I forgot to say.
Let me take you down. I really wanna take you down and show you what I'm about. Can I take you down? Yeah.
Oh, it's all of it? All of it.
I really wanna take you down.
Big tune. Big
Then you
tune.
know this ain't no trouble.
Why?
Come rewind. Girl, I get the money, what's it make you mind up? If you're laughing every night, you make you mad up. Not only you give me love, but make me nice up, nice up, nice up. I feel make you mind up. But I like you, plus I double make you mind up. If I let you smoke it, you gon' lose my light up. If you're paranoid, then I'ma spend the night up. Give me the loving every day. If I die, so you know money, I got it. For love, I go pay, If you make it my decision.
Ready, ready, ready.
I call, but if I go pay. For love, I go pay.
Hey, hey.
For love, I go pay. Psycho.
Guys, what's up? So we'll make a quick stop up at Fontana. I need to get me some oh you want to buy flowers?
No, I was just looking at them like do flowers.
Arrangements?
Yeah.
Don't they?
I just see vase in there and stuff.
But me see them get flowers from over there in Valentine's. I don't know. I just was on the sidelines like, but yeah. I feel like I want to get some skincare, guys, because like, I don't know, yeah, man. Like the breakout when I get expert for coming, it's not like as bad. When I can't even see me, when I still see my good. So, now I'm looking at to get like a water-based moisturizer. Like I order a really good one, it don't reach it though, but like, I don't know. I don't know how I can say, but in a them area, yeah, just kind of like soothe skin, extra strength. It's just, I don't know. I'm just looking at a bunch. I had this, you know, but I just never use it enough. The Bior, not the whole line, but like, I don't want to overdo it, you know. I don't know what's the best thing I think could help me with getting rid of that. I want some stuff away. Them none are really so hot. No, I only tried use the Aris sulfur, which is good, the soap alone. And like a nice moisturizer as well, one that's not heavy on the oil base, like more water based. I saw some reviews on a Neutrogena one. You have that? I'm more normal to oily skin, so I think that would work better for me. This one? How much is that?
Then I remove oil. This one $1,050.
Okay.
Then I remove oil without disputing protection skin berries. Okay, this one.
That look good. It's a serum this.
Yes.
So that means I'm gonna have to use this and it in combination. I don't want one bag of something I really don't like one bag of skincare. Yeah, like you know. Alright, so I'm gonna get these few products in my how much product is 4. So I got like 4 things in all. I try them your own. Oh, pads. I should get one of these. I'm gonna go cash out now. Good day.
Good day.
Oops. Alright guys, so we get everything what we need to get. So I'm gonna buy something in Starbucks. You want anything there? We have to pull up the receipt and menu, so I have to go show them. I eat this? Yeah, I eat. Guys! I'm gonna put my liquor. I'm gonna put my bag. You put them in the back? Oh, you put them in. Guys, can I listen? A 5 something I get? It came to like $12,000 Jamaican. A plastic straw. Are the cane one? I wonder if the cane one. It feels like it's the cane one. Finally! I prefer them use that one, the man. Anyways, I got a caramel frap. I got a caramel frap in Starbucks. So I just came back and we come on road and all these things. I'm never even telling, like, we were actually watching our Elvis last night when you guys saw us at home. So yeah, we ended up just watching that one. Come to my attention that it was actually in movies last month or so, or it's last month. It was its last month in theaters rather. I mean, I know from when it did in there, but it was good. And the funny thing is, they actually had a biopic for him before, but I'm pretty sure I did see that one time, and I you know, sometimes I see some show and it just like, I don't know, it just never grabbed me. But the one I watched last night, I like the way them do it. You can't say them, the settings definitely are in a them time, they're like 1960s, 1950s, but you can't say some current people produce it. And that's like, mommy, like professionally done. It was really nice. But once I watch it and I learn how my life goes, it really opened up my eyes to the music industry. Like, too much time I watch them biopic there, and I say it always end up go. Like, them always end up not have nothing. Just like when you watch TLC or you learn about, you watch documentary on Tony Braxton and like Whitney Houston and Michael Jackson. Well, Michael Jackson did rich. Like, all of them wealthy, you know, but it's just like the people them were there in the background where you don't really to see is like, yeah, where they on them team, them just always rub up the money them. So then it just really make me wonder. I think like, like, I'm just thinking, like, me and mommy that talk about Rihanna this morning, like, I don't know, but, like, sis just completely stopped doing music and just go in a whole different avenue, and I think she's smart, like, because when you learn about, having your masters and all of them stuff, I'm like, well, thank God me never wind up, grew up for be like, singer or something, because I mean, one of us could have wanted it because my father did in a music, like, he even love music, but he never did really go hard for, like, really go out there and spread him wings. So, yeah, I just happy so I never choose to do so. But I feel like every industry have them ups and them downs, but, like, that, it really sad because from me, I grew me hear about Elvis Presley, you know, and him is an icon, him is a legend, but it's like, the way him live, stop playing with the something now. The way I live is like, I hate when people dead and they make the people into this, they make them golden when them dead. I not say him never did big and whatever while he was alive. It's just like, he never get to really truly live the way he'd want to live, because for how long he'd want to do an international tour, and that was a major thing for him, and them just hold him down and never make him do the international tour. Like, that's crazy. Like, it's just wild. But yeah, that was a good watch. I did 2 hours.
2 hours 30.
Yeah, because it did feel a little lengthy. But I did watch it and it was really good. Now that, if I go movie, go watch that, if I went to the theater, so I'd feel content. Like, that never bothered at all. I really liked it. And I really think the person when I'm used to Elvis, like, him definitely, him act it to the T, him look like Elvis, because I never even realized how when I really watch it, I realized in the last clip said a real Elvis Presley clip them I use and not the guy. And so, I mean, yeah, I really like it. I like when them do the biopic them, like, good like that. But yeah, that's all. That's my little update on that. That's my little update on that. So I'm home and I'm saying I'm gonna try out a little something with my guys. So it's nowhere near bedtime yet, but me eager to start this whole thing. When I can't really see it, you have to like the up in my face. But like so I got this oil-free moisturizer. It's ultra gentle, it's a sensitive skin. It won't clog pores, and it's from Neutrogena. It's dermatologist recommended. So yeah, got that, and then I got this Biore face and nose deep cleansing pore strips. Remember me try this like vlog before last, or was it last vlog? I don't remember. But yeah, and it never worked. But I think it was, should I say, I know so it usually reacts. So I said, you know what, let me get a box for myself and I'll try this out. So this is for, you know, blackheads and stuff like that. It goes for the forehead portion, just like how the lady have it on there and the nose. So I'm gonna try that out. And then I have this CeraVe developed with dermatologists resurfacing retinol serum. So this says it reduces the appearance of post-acne marks and pores, help restore the protective skin barrier and improve skin smoothness. So yeah, must say encapsulated retinol. So let me try this too. And the thing with me is that I'm not super, like I'm not into like trying out a bunch of different skincare every minute. I can't bother with that. I'll stick with something for a long time, and then if I feel like I've gotten too used to it, then we change it up. So you know, I was using the MAKIAGE one, and I think they're really good, but I feel like I don't have like a cleanser within this. The serum is good and everything, the moisturizer feel good, but I want something that's less oil based. So this is actually oil free. This is oil free, so I wanted to try out something oil free. You understand? But before this, I really did MAKIAGE I was doing, and I use the soap over there, what you call it? Jeez, I'm the box there. Arisulfa soap. So I'm still using Arisulfa, and it's really good. But I feel like I need to just do a little bit more. So this is a foaming facial cleanser. So this is a serum, foaming facial cleanser. This is the strips for the nose and the forehead, and this is an oil-free moisturizer. I got some cotton wool pads and vitamin C. This is not a part of that, but this is run out of this Haliba Ranch. So I'm gonna say, you know what, I'm gonna actually go ahead and, you know, just cleanse my face now, and when I'm going to bed again, then I'll do this all over. So I'm gonna say, you know what, because I'm eager to get rid of these like stuff in my face, man. I wonder if I should use this first. Hold on, so this work. Also, the strips won't stick if the skin is dry, and I need to actually cleanse my face before I use this. So I should leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes until it's stiff to the touch, and slowly carefully peel off at edge. So I use these two last, which this is a serum, this is a moisturizer. I don't want to do too much though, so I'm not gonna go too hard from the serum. But yeah, let's see if they're sealed. So this doesn't have a scent or anything, so I'm actually just gonna go in. Actually decided to use my brush instead. Maybe I'll go to a beer coat and just want to just clear it up. I've never been this annoyed. The thing is, my skin are really bad, you know, so I can't even tell. But I do. Thing is, I know them something at work. Usually it looks, and then you just see some bag of big bump start, you know, come out. The direction says I must leave the area wet, and then I must make it dry down. So my hands need to be dry. And then it show me the part where the top and the bottom, you know. gonna lie, I put that on kind put that on lean. But it I forgot though. And then I forgot to the face strip now. So I try this again in the determination. Okay. Alright, I just one piece of the face strip. Look at the cup sitting. I think I'm gonna do one for chin. I couldn't swear to him to say. Even though my chin not really bothered still, but still, we call it, I bet them say forehead strip. Okay, so I'm about to take it off. It's very tight. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna put this, oh my gosh, this stiff now. No, that time, yeah. That time I'm different. I can't feel it. It's different that time, man. Wait there now. Alright, wait there. Try to repeat. Yeah. Alright. Protect me. No, this, I feel it. Okay. I can't feel it, sir. Pull out, wait for pull out. Okay. Ow. Yeah, it definitely got stuff out. More than, no, that's sure no. That's gross. Dang. You know, I can't see it. It's on a white thing, but if I should really zoom in. That's not bad. So that means that if I use this, like, I don't know how often I use it. I forgot to read the box. But that's actually good. Let's take off the forehead. So I'm actually shape it up for go around my eye. Alright, this never, oh, this actually got stuff out too, but it never itch and that's tight. This is some ear. When it still come up them eye like, alright? I can't use it. The third one I get out enough. I just not put on some of the moisturizer. Should I put on the serum with it? I'm testing out everything to feel how it feels. Let's see. This is a cleanser. So this is a serum. This is a serum. So resurfacing retinol serum. So okay, this is like just one pump. I'll say what I talk about so why take one next. You don't want too much product. But these have no scent or nothing. That's really good. And I always kind of just massage these things in upwards. That's all I'm gonna use for that. I'm not going to shower till like the next 4 hours or so. It's currently 7:40. I usually get work done and just chill out because it's hot. So like my nighttime shower, yeah, I'm not gonna be till like around 11, so that's good timing. All right, so now this is a moisturizer, oil free. One pump, one nice pump. Yeah, this is enough for the whole face. And it feel real lightweight for you, like it's you can feel that no oil, nothing. You say feel very lightweight. So just massage this in enough to wear, like, you know, sometimes you use some moisturizer your face highly. Me don't like look highly, and some people them say them want to have the glow. Me don't like too much of the glow because it can look sweaty and oily. Okay. Alright. And I'm good to go. So that's how I'm looking. So it's not like super like it does have a little bit of a sheen. So yeah, they said this moisturizer, it won't clog pores, it's hyperallergenic, it's fragrance free, and it's alcohol free. So this is lightweight, non-greasy, water-based lotion, effectively eliminates dryness without leaving skin greasy or shiny. So I kind of tested that my skin not feel greasy, not feel shiny, but it does have a bit of a very light glow. I mean, that I can live with. I can live with it. We're gonna see how this wears down for the next couple of hours, but honestly still. Alright, yes, I'm gonna go finish. Let me put on some lip mask, because I like putting on this. It's nice. MAKIAGE. Actually do this and it smells so good. And this leaves, like if you put this on first and it is settling and then wipe it away, and then like you're going to like do your makeup and you like you base this for your lip gloss, oh my gosh, your lips be like butter. Okay, yeah, so I love that. So yeah, this is how I'm looking. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it for today's vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Now I'll give you a little update to skincare. This is just a trial skincare. I'm gonna see how these work. As you can, the store rep, she recommended these, so you know, I'll see how them work. Usually when I get stuff in there, the few things that I get, you know, they work alright. So you're gonna see my skin looking good. Oh, by the way, I filmed a haul today for you guys, so stay tuned to my main channel. Yeah, that's my second video. Yeah, I know I haven't dropped any of the videos yet that I told you guys I was going to drop on my main channel, but they're coming, so stay tuned. Yes, I filmed a haul today. Actually did my hair for that. I was supposed to get packages, but as usual, delays. Anyways, but yeah, that's that. Today was a chill day. I'm happy I got everything that I needed to get done. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope it didn't bore you guys. Thank you guys for tuning in, and don't forget to drop your content. You know, just continue supporting. You know, if you're not yet subscribed, welcome to the channel. Thanks for watching, and subscribe. You know, your girl uploads every week, always a vibe over here. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Yeah, positive vibes over here. So that's it, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. So until then, just gotta go for yourself. Bye.